Okay, I'm just whipping up some sourdough. Just show you how quick it is. Got my bowl here. I've got my starter. Oh, I have a mixer. $150 grams. $350 grams. Only got about 40 something grams of that one. Trying to get up to 500 grams. And then some salt. About 10 to 12 grams. And mix it. And I'm going to knead it, and then that's going to be it. And I can let it sit for a while, come back and do stretch and folds or whatever I choose to do. But other than that, it's very sticky right now. And that's about it. My dough is pretty much done, and I just have to let it go ahead and ferment overnight.